Hi everyone, thanks for watching the Madam Maker channel. My name is Gina Bomarito, and today I'm going to show you how to use a wall anchor. Alright, let's go. Quick shot of what the anchor looks like when you put a screw in it, and then a quick shot of what it looks like when it's behind the wall. So the key to putting a plastic wall anchor into the wall and having it be right and strong is that the hole you put in the wall for the anchor has got to be smaller than the anchor itself, just by a little bit. If it's too small, you can't get the anchor, and if it's too big, the anchor will literally just spin around in there and it won't be any good, and your stuff will fall off the wall. So the key is to make the hole smaller than the anchor diameter. I'm going to give you an example by hanging this little bottle opener. Here we go. I'm just guessing, obviously, where I'm going to put it. Right about there. I'm going to mark the holes. Okay? I'm going to look at my anchor and see the diameter of it, and I'm going to check it and make sure whatever I use to put a hole in the wall is smaller than the anchor. I'm going to do it both ways. I'm going to use a masonry bit to do the top hole. It is not masonry, it is drywall, but it is a softer, not so aggressively sharp drill bit. It's just a mason one, and it's kind of blunt at the end. So, there's the first one. And then the second hole, I'm actually going to use a screwdriver. Let's say I don't own a drill, and I want to hang something. So I'm going to use a screwdriver that the diameter is just smaller than the anchor. And I'm just going to do it like this. Done. Now, the anchor should fit nice and snug in there. Nice and snug. Okay? And now when I go to put my bottle opener on, it should be nice and strong. And if you don't have obviously a drill, you just use your hands and use your screwdriver. Nice and strong. Cheers. Good job.